In today's recipe, we are going to see how to make chai masala tea, and this will be a good usage for a long time. So we begin by warming up our pan over here for at least about medium high, and with that we will roast 6 ingredients first, which is green cardamom, mace, cinnamon sticks, black pepper, cloves, and also black cardamom. So we will roast this approximately about 3 minutes. Do not roast this more than 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes and it's very fragrant, all the spices. Now we can transfer them to the next spices. And with this, now we reduce the heat to a medium low. Let the temperature come down a little bit. Then we will roast the next 2 ingredients. The wok has already got into its temperature, so with this we will roast the fennel seeds and also slightly pounded nutmeg, and we will roast this less than 3 minutes. And this has already been 3 hours now, so now we can transfer this into the plate with the other spices. And now we will roast the dried mint leaves. This will take less than a minute or less than 30 seconds. When you have the fragrance, you may remove it. You shouldn't roast it too long though. These are dried ones. I do get fresh ones, but dried ones are easier for me. So if you can get dried ones, use the dried ones. If you can get fresh ones, use the fresh ones. So this is already like almost 30 seconds. Now we can transfer this into the same plate. And also we will use the holy basil or Tulsi. It's the same method, less than 30 seconds. If you can't get Tulsi fresh, that's fine. You can use the dried ones. And if you do not know where to get dried Tulsi or the holy basil, you may go to the Indian store or the East Indian store and ask them for Tulsi, dried Tulsi, and they will give you. So dear viewers, our masalas which we have roasted is already cool off completely, and now we can grind them. I'm going to grind them everything together, but in pulse mode, and until it becomes very a little coarse but not too fine. So in the texture. So I'll come back when I am finished grinding. So dear viewers, for the dried ginger powder, you can add them now or you can mix it up after when it's grinding. So but for me, I prefer it to add in now, so rather than later. And we shall now, I will grind it, and then so I have grinded it, and this is how it looks right now. It's pretty much everything is grounded. Yes. And so now this can be bottled. So dear viewers, our masala is ready, and so now we can bottle them. And so either you can use a tablespoon or a teaspoon. I think I should get a tablespoon. So the bottle, I have it here with the labeled homemade home style, so I'm just going to add them into it. And sometimes it depends on the quantity that you make, and also when you make in large scale, so you can what you call, sometimes it's difficult to pack them, so all you need to do is use a funnel. It has been 1 hour right now, and our tea masala is ready. So all we need to do is just cover it, and this is how the tea masala looks. So if you would please give a try in your home kitchen, gather all the ingredients, measure it properly, and also that then after that you can roast it, cool it off, grind it, cool it off, and then you can pack them like this, and you can use them for your tea, for your chai or your Indian tea that you make in the house. So it's pretty much basic, almost everybody does that, but a lot of people add this and that. So I will be making some tea videos in the future, so stay tuned for that. For till now, this is only what I have to share for the moment, and thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and please continue supporting me, and also share the video to everyone. Thank you and have a good day, and see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen.